Okay, Pute, let me start the lesson now. Last week, what we have discussed is about the operating system and how can we control the operating system settings. Like how can we configure the operating system and basically the settings changing and configuring the settings in the computer, right? So basically related to the operating system and also, so we will learn the hardware part also in future. Actually, before that, we have just uh, went through our grade 7 lessons and learn about the files and folders and their behaviors. So basic file attributes, properties, extensions, and basic settings we have discussed last day as a recap. But that was not their last day lesson. If you watch, that is not there in grade 8 directly, but that was there in grade 7. That was there in grade 7, but we have learned that for grade 8, right? Okay, that's about it. And now, today, what we are going to learn about, learn some more about the operating systems. As we have enough time, still the term is not started in the school. So this is our, this is our interval. I consider this as our interval period. Because in schools, you know, most of the schools, they haven't started the new term, right? But we have already finished one chapter and we have already discussed a lot of things. Actually, I will promise you one thing. Most of you guys started 3 years ago with me. I can remember students like Bilansa, Desandi, most of you were there, Dulnit, Ronald, I can remember Veron, most of you were there when we start the classes, right? And now it's like we have completed closer to 2 years or closer to 3 years even. And I promise that when you are doing all levels, you will have a knowledge of a degree student, right? More than that can be guaranteed, because I have not just covered the syllabus, I have not just covered the content in the syllabus. I always reference some other new knowledge areas. I always touch new knowledge areas and also the practical applicabilities and possibilities of the subject when I am doing the lesson. Therefore, you have learned something more than the lesson. Actually, if lesson is, let's think, lesson is 100%, your knowledge is closer to 300%, 3 times of the lesson. But only if you are really participating, only if you are participating in all the practicals, only if you are doing the practicals, and only if you are practicing. Otherwise, if you just participate, log in and log out won't solve that. Then I can ask all the students to log in and log out on time. එහෙම කරාට බෑ හරියද log වෙනවා වෙලාවට log out වෙනවා වෙලාවට. එහෙම කරලා නෙමෙයි මම කියන්නේ, if you practice you will definitely get that. So Veron will get new subscribers soon. Shall I tell you the reason, Veron? Because I have just show you a channel to closer to 200-300 new students in our physical classes. So you will definitely get some new subscribers. If you have channels, share me, right? I have I have already given published into the Veron's channel and Manuda's one. If anyone else need free publicity, tell me to your channel. I can definitely share it with our new students in our STEAM schools. STEAM in alut students later, Candy Colombo in alut students later, mateka share karanna puluwan. So if you have channels, share it to me. Then you will get a free publicity and free subscribers too. But I really like if you are practically using that. So Veron is doing a very good job. He's practically using that. And others also. But only thing is, you are not updating your channel. Channel update karan, right? Time to time update it. Because this will be a really an asset, right? ඔයාලට අනිත් අයට ලං වෙන්නවත් බැරි වෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් ඉඳන් ඕක දිගට කරගෙන ගියොත්. Yonal, yes, I will definitely do your one also, right? So what's your channel name, by the way? Is it Yonal Legal, same name? Yonal Tech neda. It's Yonal Tech, right? Okay, I'll search like that, right? I'll search with that. Okay, Yonal, thank you. Girls also, right? At least girls, you can do at least a dancing channel, right? අඩුම ගානේ දැන් IT බැරි නම් dancing channel එකක්වත් හදන්න. මොකක් හරි එකක් හදන්න ඔයාලගේ personal profile එක පේන විදිහ එකක් කරන්න. Right? Do that, right? Okay, that is really okay. Let's move to the lesson today. What we have discussed during the last week is about our computer and configurations of settings in the operating system. So today, let's see how to do something else. I just want to show you the virtual machine practical again, in case if you have not done. Let's do that. In the virtual machine practical, basically, how many of you couldn't install virtual PC? Can you raise your hand? How many of you couldn't install virtual PC? Tisula, okay, anyone else? Diansa, Yonal, Shavin, Ronald, oh, look, Desani, Neto, oh, wow, there are a lot. Okay, there are 7, closer to 7 or 8, 9. The Anita nine. Okay, there are 9 students. Okay, I will support them first and then let's move to the next. Okay, so this exercise, what we are going to do as the practical is not the regular virtual machine that we have done. Let's install a new virtual machine. It's not new. Let's install a virtual machine bit old to test some maybe you can test very old operating systems with that virtual machine. That is called DOSBox. Okay, let's share the screen. Who can share the screen now? Ronald, so how you have created your 3D avatar? Is it using Discord one?
Yes, sir.
Discord. Discord and what is the other?
Midjourney.
Sorry?
Midjourney.
Midjourney.
Picture.
Midjourney, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Type it. Midjourney with this Discord one, right? Okay. Then, so how many pictures you used? 25 pictures or 30?
Only one, sir.
Only one? Was it enough? Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, share the screen. Now let's start doing this virtual machine practical. Please share the screen. Hari, how share කරන්න screen එක. දැන් ඔයාලට ඔය එක එක excuse දෙන්න බෑ වුණා. මේ දවස්වල current එකක් තියෙනවා. හැමදාම current නැහැ කියනවා නැත්නම් කට්ටිය class එන්නේ නැතුව. මම දන්නවා recording ගන්න ඕන නම් always you are telling you have no power. But now you cannot tell. Log in with the computers and do the practicals, right? Don't be lazy. ඔයගොල්ලෝ draw වෙනකොට මට පේන්නේ කම්මැලි වෙනවා. When you were in grade 6 and 7, you were doing practicals very well. But now you are not doing anything. That is not good. Okay, open Google Chrome. And all of you need to do, right? All of you need to do search for DOSBox. 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 And download it. Let's try a few operating systems that can be used in DOSBox. One is we are going to try Windows 3.1. The other one is a game, right? Please download it. Go to the downloads, download the Windows edition, yes. And install it. Wait. You can share the links with others. Just share the links with the others. Okay. Download the Windows installer and install it in your computer. I will give 2 things. Okay, Abhinav. If you have already downloaded, good. Have you installed anything in DOSBox? No. Monahari install it karada Abinu? Not Abinu.
Yes, sir.
Did you install something in DOSBox? No.
No, sir. In like we stopped it like when we are coding.
Ah, right. Okay, download it. It is only one less than 2 megabyte, right? It's very small software. Less than 2 megabyte. It will not take that much of time. Had the data cap in megabyte dekai in the download karanna. It's only 2 megabytes. Please download it. Okay, after downloading, please click on the DOSBox and install it. Okay, please install it. What has happened? Isn't it working for Windows 11? Is it? I think it should. I think it should. Isn't it? Try to run as the administrator, maybe. Working, right? Yeah. So. Oh, yeah, this is the one. Okay. Now you can see this is after installing, you will get this, right? This is a command line tool. Command line means all these things you need to give by commands. Double click in icons, they even icon, double click karana, single click, pointers, windows, you don't have that. Instead of that, you have to use the commands to use. Okay. One software that we are going to use in there is a game. Okay, let's try to install old game and see. අපි පරණ game එකක් install කරනවා DOS වලට වැඩ කරපු game එකක් ඒ දවස්වල. This was in 1991, right? එතකොට ඔයාලගේ ගිය ආත්මේ. Your last birth. 1991 means no one have birth. No one, right? No one is here. I think your birth year should be 2006, 7 or 2009?
2010.
2010.
10, no. Then 2010 here.
2010, sir.
Okay, 2010. This is 1991. 1991, 2001, 10 means 20 years ago. Your last birth, even you all are like grandfathers and grandmoms. Right, that season. You can ask this from your father and mother, maybe. If they were using in that time, you can ask from them. Okay, let's download this game. This is called Dangerous Day. Old game. Dangerous Day. Go to the Google, search for Dangerous Day for DOSBox. Dangerous Day for DOSBox. Day for DOSBox. Okay. Then you will see different. Just download. Okay. Click on that.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm having a problem with downloading after installing. How can I open the program?
Which one?
The DOSBox thing.
DOSBox.
Yeah. After install a setup completed, but it won't show me the software.
Oh, I see. Wait. Wait, I will let you share the screen first. First of all, let me show how to download this Dangerous Day or Day 2. Day 2 DOSBox. You can use this, right? Here. Oh, not this link, sorry. This is 1991. It's a floppy disk game. I will share you the link. I will share you the file. I think that will be easier for you to download then, rather than you downloading the same. Okay, I have sent you the file. You can just download it. It is only 196 kilobyte. It's a very small file. Okay, who has the problem can share the screen now. Who said you cannot discover? Can share the screen now. Dulnita, what has happened to you? Okay, this is there, Dulnita. So what's wrong?
Sir, I can't download the game.
Right click on the file. Right click on the file. Save link as. Save link. It will be automatically erased sometime. Sometimes your computer will detect that as a virus and erase it. Save it. You have to keep the file here. Click on the arrow. Keep the file. That's the reason. All right. Okay. Then you can unzip this, right? In order to unzip, if you need, like, you can install a software called 7-zip. Don't use it. Just cancel it. You can open using that. That's okay. But just click on the file in the corner. No, this corner of the file. Don't click on the file, Putri. Just click on the corner. You see the more options. Show in folders. Show in the folders. Show in folder. There you can right click. Right click. And extract. Yeah, extract to the. Okay, so double click on exe and use it. You can see it won't run, right? Okay, double click on run when because this is old application. No, it won't. 1991 exe. It won't execute. So how you can execute this? That is the problem, right? Virtual box එක දැන් අපි use කරන්නේ. මෙතන අපි virtual machine එකක් use කරන්නේ මේ පරණ ඒවා දැන් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ පුතේ. 91 එකක් ඔයාලා කාලතරණය කරලා දැන් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ 2023ට. 91 2001, 2011, 2021, 32 years of time travel. Now in 2023, the era of artificial intelligence. This is era of the primitive technology stuff where the internet began. Just where the internet began, just the start. Okay, let's run this game now. How to run this game in our old machine? This is our time machine. This will let us run the old. This will let us go to the past and experience the past. Okay, we have to use, there's a command called mount. Then you can use any drive name. Let's mount it to F drive, example. Then tell the file location. C, according to these users, is wait, downloads. Dangerous Dev 2. So can you see the location? Dulnit ඔයාගේ location එකක් පේනවනේ ඔය address bar එකේ මේ තියෙන මෙතන උඩ. Here.
Yes, sir.
Address bar. You have to give the exact same, right? අනිත් අය දෙන්න ඕනේ යාලට පේන එක. C users Acer download Dangerous Dev 2. Mount F. Okay. Anyone else? Yes. What's your problem, Puthe? Yes.
මේකේ mount F කියන එක sir F drive එකක් නැති ඉන්න E කියන දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
හරි දෙන්න කිසිම තියෙන drive එකක් දෙන්න එපා නැති drive එකක් දෙන්න අලුතෙන් එකක් දෙන්න F එකක් නැත්නම් F එක දෙන්න අනිවාර්යයි
හරි sir
හරි නැති එකක් තමයි දෙන්න ඕනේ තියෙන එකක් දෙන්න එපා. ඒතර තියෙන එක අයින් වෙලානේ mount වෙන්නේ Okay, anyone else having problems?
Sir, what
Maybe
is
the
this
DOS box
amount?
installation. Or close කරන්න බලන්න complete වෙලා නැති. Just close it. And you can use it, right? මේ තියෙන මම දැක්කන්න තියෙනවා install වෙලා desktop එකේ. I saw that installation was there. Anyone else?
Sir,
me.
Some-
tell the
yeah.
command again.
Yeah, you can share. Anyone wish to get help can share. ඕන කෙනෙක් share කරන්න ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. හරි කාටවත් ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. Sarasi, what about you? හරිද Sarasi? DOS box install වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි ඔක close කරන්නකෝ පුතේ. Just close it. Close the DOS box. And you can reopen that by double clicking this. Have you downloaded Dev 2? Right. මේක තමයි අපි run කරන එක. මේක තමයි අපි commands ලියන්නේ. Have you downloaded Dev 2 Sarasi? Sarasi? Right. Right click on that. Right click on that. Extract to. Okay, right click කරලා extract to කියන එක තෝරන්න. Extract all කියන එක තෝරන්නකො නැත්නම් extract all. Okay. Right. මේ path එක තමයි මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. C users user desktop dev 2, right? Remember this path. Extract now.
Sir, we can't copy it, right, sir?
Huh? You can't?
No, sir. It is not copying. It is not pasting on the text when copying.
මොකක් පොඩ ඉන්න බලන්න මොකක්ද කියන්නේ මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන ඉන්න අපි බලන්න. හරි ඔයා ටයිප් කරන්නත් පුතේ. මෙතන ටයිප් කරන්න mount. අපි එක එකනට උදව් කරමු හැමෝටම. mount MOUNT. ඊට පස්සේ අපි drive එක දෙමුකෝ mount හරි K හරි මොන හරි කමන්න දෙන්නකෝ. mount K simple, right? Mount K. ඊට පස්සේ මේ path එක දෙන්න. ඔයාගේ C users desktop dev 2 ද මොකක්ද එක තියෙන්නේ? Mount space K space then this path පුතේ. මෙතන තියෙන path එක මටත් පේන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාලට මතකයි නේද කලින් දාගත්ත එක C users බලන්න එතන ගිහිල්ලා මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ කියලා click on that and see. Address bar එකේ උඩ click කරා. Click on the here you can see මෙන්න උඩ පේනවා මෙන්න මේ හරි. C users user desktop dev 2. ඒක C users එක copy කරන්න බෑ, you have to type it, right? දැන් මට මේ අභිනු share කරන්නකෝ. අභිනු share your one. Next Dilansa share. Dilansa can also share. Manoda, do you have problem? Then you can also share. Okay, this is Abhinu. Next Dilansa, next Manoda, right? Abhinu මොකක්ද අවුල? Yes, Dev 2. Dev. Abhinu. Dev කොහෙද දාගත්තේ? ඔය තියෙන ගන්න. හරි, open it. So this is the path. Click on this. This is the path. Click on here. Address bar. ඔය කොහෙද පුතේ ඔය WhatsApp එකක් දාගෙන ඉන්නවා. එතන දාගත්තේ. ඒකද path එක? Abhinu, is that the path? Then you have to type. Click on the address bar. මං හිතන්නේ එච්චර දිග එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඔය හැම යන එක නවත්තන්නකෝ පුතේ. It's very inconvenient to show me what to do. Click on here. මෙන්න මේ මෙතන click කරන්න. ඔතන හරි කමන්නේ right. Okay, get the path and assign that. Okay. You cannot copy paste. You have to type the path, right? That's the reason. You have to type the path. Type කරගෙන යන්න ටක් ගාලා. C users Abhinu downloads Brave downloads Dev 2. බුදු අම්මෝ ඒකේ දිග. quotation ඇතුලේ තමයි දෙන්න වෙන්නේ හිස්තනක් තියෙන හින්දා අපිට. Brave downloads කියන්නේ හිස්තනක් යනවනේ. Therefore you need to start the quotation and give it. After K start the quotation. K වලින් පස්සේ quotation පටන් ගන්න and finish the quotation too. Double quotation. Because there is a space. මෙන්න මෙතනින් double quotation දාන්න ඕනේ, මෙතනින් double quotation වහන්න ඕනේ. Because there is a space. ඔහොම නම් යන්න බෑ arrow keys වලින් යන්න. This is command line. command line එකේ නෑ. උතන නෙමෙයි. අන්න එතන. තව එකක් ඉස්සර ඔය පැත්ත නෙමෙයි. Close the curly quotations at the end. Then press enter. Hurry. Now it is mounted. You can go to K drive. K colon. K එකයි colon එකයි ගහන්න උතන. K colon. K and colon mark. Where quotation? ඔන්න දැන් මතක නැහැ 6 දී ඉගෙන ගත්තේ. Colon means double dot. This dot and this dot. This is colon. Enter. Now run 1.exe. 1.exe. That will run the file. Then the command line can lazy, right? Command line is not easy. What you need to do is you need to really prepare and do this. Mouse will not work, only the keyboard. Press enter to go to the next stream. Next, enter, and maybe you can go to the next stream. Pressing enter. Click on the middle, press enter. Is it working?
So we need
but it's
click
not
the space button.
Space. I think space is the key. Yeah, space is the okay. Level 1 load.
Okay, so now it is there.
You can try to create similar game like this in Stretch. Stretch වල ඔන්න try කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔය වගේ.
Pac-Man?
Yes.
And then Pac-Man.
Yeah. You can play using the keyboard arrow keys. Arrow keys to move here and there, I think. But arrow keys වලින් යනවද කි? You can use the arrow keys.
In this game,
Okay. Dilansa, can you share your one?
Sir, I downloaded it, but I can't see it.
Control J. Control key and J key to go to the downloads. Control එකයි J එකයි press කරන්න. නෑ උතර නෙමෙයි control key එකයි J එකයි දිලන්සා control key and J key together. Okay. No, you have not. No, you have not downloaded. Oh, share it. I will tell you how to do that. Don't disconnect. Search for DOSBox. 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 Go to the link and download. Download now. Wait, and it will be automatically downloaded. Here you got it. Okay, open it. Now open it. Next. Install class. From the chat, please download Dev 2. In the chat, you have Dev 2. Please download it. Zoom chat. Zoom ke chat again. Go to the Zoom chat. There you can see downloads. If difficult to find, then you have to no, not there. Zoom chat again. If not, search Dev 2. If not, search dev2. Okay, I have sent you the link again to the Zoom chat. Okay, you can save this file. Yes, save this file. That is it. Okay, save karan. You can save it in maybe not there, not downloads. Easy if you can save it in the C drive. C drive එකේම save කරන්න. අපිට පල්ලයට එන්න scroll down. එතන path එක දෙන්න ලේසි. Scroll down further. තව. Further. Further. Okay, you can see this PC. Then select C drive, Windows C. And that one. Okay, open. Okay, save it. Easiest way. Yes. They're asking the user folder, right? Okay. Okay, save it. Save it anyway. Now open the file. Go to the location where you have saved the file. Right click. No, don't do that. Right click on the file. Extract to, extract all. Extract all. Okay, remember this location. C users Dilan dev2. Extract. Extract. Now go and open the DOS box. Go to your desktop. Windows and D key. Okay, DOS box. There you can type mount. Now I have done several times. Mount. After that, F or some key. Make it. Mount, MOUNT. Mount F. Then C users Dilan dev2. Not that. C users Dilan dev2, right? That is the location. Give it exactly. C users Dilan dev2. Anik petter flash එක. The other one backward slash. Backspace එකට යටින් තියෙන backward slash is underneath of backspace. Backspace key එකට යටින් පල්ලෙහි. No. Without shift key. Shift එක නැතුව නිකන්. C users Dilan and dev2.
Sir, does capital and simple letters matter? Does capital and simple letters matter?
No. dev2. Okay, තව පොඩි අවුලක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. Can you give me the like keyboard control? So you have typed mount in a wrong way. Mount කියලා එකක් තියලා තියෙනවා. You can go back and change this. Here, MOUNT. No, it's mount on this. Press enter and it will be mounted. Then you can go to the F drive, F:, and then write 1.exe. That will open the game.
I have a problem.
So what's it? Space to play, start playing, and arrow keys to play. Space to start playing and arrows to play. Yes?
Sir, Mihinka.
Okay. Dev2. Where's Dev? What is the folder? C users Dave, right? C users Dave. Okay. Then go and type email. That should be what? Mount. Sorry. Mount. No, not C drive. Just type some other drive, maybe K something. Okay, then C / users dev / dev. Enter. K : to go to the K drive, K : this is quotation. Remember the keys, K : is this. Then type 1.exe to run the file. It will run. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, mihin
Share. Okay. Anyone has played the game?
Yes, sir.
Which level you are in? Have you
Still answer.
still level 1? Okay. So this is interesting. You can show your father that you are playing the same game that your father was playing in their childhood.
So I'm having a problem.
Okay, I will let you share. The K doesn't exist. The mount K. Your folder is not existing. That's the reason. So it's not mounted properly. Nitum. The mount command එක recall කරන්න. Dev 2 එකේ space එකක් නැහැ නේ. ඔය space එකක් දීලා ඒක යවුල. Recall the command. You can press up arrow to recall the command. Up arrow. Then erase this space. නෑ එකක් ඉස්සරහට ගිහලා ඔය ඔහොම ගෙන්න. Press enter. Now okay. Right, okay. Now again it says it is not existing. C users Lenovo desktop. C users C / C C : users. Again recall the command at that. See the spelling mistakes. Okay, Desandi had a problem, right? Let me first check whether he's okay. Enter. Yeah, done. Now K drive and 1.exe will run. K : 1.exe. That is the file name. K : press enter. K : press enter. Then type 1.exe. It will be running. Okay. I didn't think this is this much of difficult task. Oh my God. You guys, what are you doing? මොකද්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? break කරගෙනද මන් දන්නේ කට්ටියට අමතක වෙලා computers use කරන්න හැටි. You have forgotten how to type the keys නේද? Okay, this is Dulnita. Dulnita, what's your problem? Non-existing directory නේ Dulnita. ඔක දැන් මගෙන් අහන්න දෙයක්වත් නැහැ. අනිත් යාළුවන්ගෙන් අහුවත් කියයි. Can others tell what went wrong in Dulnita's code? Can I
Brackets.
Brackets.
brackets? He has added brackets. What are these brackets? It should be C users. I think he has tried to copy paste or something, but it is not correct. Anyway, this should be C : / users. This is the way that you should write, right? Then as your typing mistake, correct it and show me. C users typing mistake. අනිත් පැත්තට එන්න ඕන / දාලා ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. C users Acer download dangerous dev. Okay. I cannot remember how to pass the gate. You have to jump maybe.
Teacher, sir, to jump, we had to press control key, and to shoot, we had to press alt.
Yeah, control for jumping, yes, alt for shooting. Yeah. Okay, Desandi, what's your problem? I will come back to you. problem start with the mounting thing. Because you have mounted to F. Now you are trying to access K. K is not existing. You have mounted to F. Now F access current. Access the F colon. Yeah, F colon. Okay, it's working, right? 1.exe. 1.exe. It's not there. dir. Type dir. Enter. There is 1.exe, but only one folder. Problem is there. Can you go to the particular folder? Physically, can you visit not this PC? Go to that dev2. Yeah, go to that folder. Oh, where are the other files? What has happened to the other files? Did you delete them?
No, sir.
Then where are they? I have given you a folder. You have taken only one file. Show me the downloaded one. You are doing magics, right? I don't know how you have done that even. Right click, extract to dev2. Extract to dev2. Okay, yes to all. Can you double click on the dev2 folder and verify whether the other files are there? Now only the other files are there. Otherwise, how it can work? Now try to run the program. You have only taken 1.exe. You forgotten other files. But manually ගන්න ඇති 1.exe විතරක් එළියට. නේද? You have taken only 1.exe. That's the reason. Okay, now it's working. Okay, then කවුද වැරදිලා type කරලා තිබ්බේ දුල්නිතද? දුල්නිත? Have you finished? Binoti, you have problems? Manoda, can you show your screen also?
Sir, my one is working.
Show me, show me with like just show me.
And
Have you like show this to your father? No.
I told.
It on. Can you jump and go to the next? You can, I think, jump. Okay. No, go front, other side. Yeah, that side. All right, okay. Then jump other way. Okay. Now move forward. Move forward. Okay. You have to fight, right? Again, jump and fight. Okay, good. Yes, share me your screen if you're getting any errors. You have to jump into the tree and then jump to the. It's not easy, I know. You have to jump into the tree, then jump into the wall, and then jump into the other side. Yeah, like that. Correct. It's kind of interesting old game, right? Very good. So this is, yeah, this is running just using command line. Remember how what the effort that they have taken in developing this game, right? It's not easy. The running everything in command line is really not easy, right? Everything runs in the command line. At that time, no 3D graphics, nothing was there. Try to develop same game using Scratch if possible.
Sir, how do you shoot?
Alt, right? Shooting is Alt, right? Rona, is it Alt? ALT? I
Yes,
guess
sir.
ALT. Yeah. Okay. Yes, who said that the DOS box is not working? There was one telling that it's not working. Okay, share the screen. I can just check it. One more thing before we wind up, I just want to give you a note also. Oh, Mihin, you're using your mobile phone. Mihin, no, it won't work in your mobile. That's a problem. Mihin, Yeah, it's not going to work in your mobile phone. So if you have like, so there are many versions. I'm not sure whether there are some mobile phone version, but not sure, like, because I have never tested that. Maybe you can try DOSBox for Android. I'm not sure. It seems there are, but I have never tried. I mean, can you just search Google. Okay, one more thing. Actually, you need to do one more thing. So this you need to write down. So we have just discussed about two software interfaces.